Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your operating system and build. This ensures you download compatible drivers. Next, close Black Ops 6 and any overlays so the installer can update files cleanly. Create a restore point or export current GPU and audio drivers via Device Manager, because rollbacks save time if something breaks. Once done, open your GPU control panel or manufacturer updater. Run the built-in scan to detect out-of-date components and list recommended driver versions for your system. You now pick the correct vendor page, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and search the exact GPU model listed in Device Manager. This prevents hardware mismatch. Download the Game Ready or WHQL package that matches your OS and bitness, because these are tested for stability. Run the installer as administrator and choose Custom or Clean Install to remove legacy files. This reduces conflicts. After installation finishes, reboot immediately so kernel modules and audio hooks reload correctly for Black Ops 6. You should launch Black Ops 6 and test a quick match to verify improved performance and no graphical glitches. Monitor frame rate and input lag. If the game crashes or artifacts appear, roll back the driver in Device Manager or run Display Driver Uninstaller in Safe Mode, then reinstall the previous stable driver. Make sure DirectX, Visual C++ redistributables, and audio codecs are intact. These often cause runtime errors. Finally, update game files via the launcher and recheck settings if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.